Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing this Tamiya M-07R Chassis Kit. I'm going to be building this on a live stream next Saturday, March 21st, and probably roll over into Sunday, March 22nd. I'll be building this kit live, so if you're watching this sometime in the future, past the 21st, look for the stream VOD in the live section. If this is before the 21st, you want to join us, we're glad to have you join us during the live stream. So let's not waste any time and get started unboxing this Tamiya M-07R Chassis Kit. Alright, so this is going to be the B parts tree. I see parts of the bumper. I think that's a motor cover. That's probably a skip plate of some kind, and these are the damper stays. This is probably the transponder mount right here. So that's going to be the B parts tree. This, let me check. I think this is going to be the A parts tree, and there's two of them. And it looks like it's going to be the body post. This is probably going to be the battery compartment bracket. That looks like also part of the battery compartment. And that's probably going to be part of the body post as well. I see a couple wheel hubs right there. So this is going to be two of the A parts tree. This is going to be the K parts tree. I'm sure this is part of the chassis, and that's probably bulkhead. This is going to be the bell crank. I don't recognize everything, but I think that's what they are. We'll find out during the build. This is obviously the chassis. It's pretty cool. It's very small. Coming from just building a TTO2R, this chassis is going to be much shorter and skinnier. It's going to be fun to build an M chassis again. And let's take a look at what this is. This looks like it's going to be the C parts tree, and there's two of them. I see the hubs right here. That's a C hub, and parts of the suspension. And these are going to be the arms. This is D parts tree. D as in dog, and that's what those are going to be are. These are probably going to be the lower arms, if I have to guess, front and rear. So that's what that is. And here are those M chassis wheels. I believe these are 8-spoke. Yep, 8-spoke wheels. Pretty nice. Very, very small. It's kind of funny. All right, those are the wheels. Let's see what this is. Probably going to be decals, warning decals, and just several M-07R body decals. Interesting that it has a decal for the double carbon drive shafts. That's interesting. Another antenna tube. I'm going to set that aside and open that separately. This is the disclaimer. It comes with every Tamiya RC car. This is the manual. I'm going to go flip through this a little bit later. All right. Let's see what we have. Try to take these out one at a time. So here's the front urethane bumper. These are just going to be double-sided tape. This is a foam tape. I see the turnbuckle wrench, cross wrench, probably some extra screws, zip ties, and this is grease. Which one it is? This is, looks like this is the moly grease. Interesting. They give you a moly grease for this kit, and I see a couple Allen keys right there. So this is part of the individual parts. Here are a couple gears from the gearbox. These gears are going to be part of the differential. So it looks like there's going to be at least one diff, possibly two. Actually, it's going to be only one diff because this is front wheel drive. So this is the diff. All right, let's see what else. Down here, this is for the servo. This is all the servo saver parts. And there is 4 of these. And these are parts for the dampers. I see the perch. I see the, I don't know if you can see that, but that's going to be the preload spacers. I see pistons and some other miscellaneous damper parts. And I believe this is part of the axle, probably front axle. I recognize these from the TTO2 type SRX, so that's going to be interesting. And here's the A parts bag, and let's see what's in here. I see the out drives. I see parts for the differential. That's the gasket, some shims. This is probably the diff oil right here. I see the, I'm guessing this is going to be the aluminum motor plate, and that's the diff right here. Look how small that diff is. Probably the diff cover. I see some O-rings. So this is probably everything for the front differential. A parts bag. And the B parts bag looks like it's going to be part of the damper, I think. So that's going to be the damper shaft, part of that. And I see some aluminum wheel hubs. That's great. I love those. Those are very expensive. I'm glad they came with it. I see some ball connectors. This kit does come with ball bearings. Hallelujah. A lot of screws. There's a pinion gear right there. Let's see. I think that's all I can see for now. Of course, these are going to be the adjusters, the rod ends. All right. In the C parts tree, these are going to be the dampers. Oh, I don't know what those were. We'll find out, I guess, when we're building it. I see some more adjusters, rod ends, some more bearings. These are more pistons. So I think this is actually going to be the dampers bag. We'll find out. What the first one is probably going to be the differential bag. So this is all the parts for the dampers. And here's the last parts bag, the parts bag. I see this is going to be for the servo link. I see some more adjusters. I see the wheel nuts. I see the, oh brother, those are the springs for the servo saver, which are very, very difficult to assemble. But I'll show you a trick that I use to put that together. Hopefully that will help you during the. I hope I can pull it off during the live stream is actually what I should be hoping for. There is a carbon piece right here. I'm not sure what this is. It might be the servo mount, looking at the size of this, but we'll find out during the build. All right, that's the parts bag. So the usual Tamiya manual. So this could be used with a standard size servo and a low profile. I will probably be using a low profile. There's a very good chance I'm going to be using this on the track for myself, so I will probably be using the Sanwa transmitter receiver system instead of the Fly Sky that I've been using for the last several builds. All right, so I already picked out the body, and I haven't talked about that yet. But I know I'm going to be building this with the 239mm wheelbase. And so we're going to start right here. Step 1, putting some standoffs on the chassis and a couple adjusters. Ball connectors. And then we're going to start building the diff and then installing it, I believe. All right. And we're going to be building the gearbox. I'm thinking that gear that we saw is actually going to be the spur gear as well. We'll find out. And there's the front arm mounts, lower arms. And these are the front axles. So that's what we were looking at before. Those rings were. I don't remember a lot what I built this in. Probably the SRX as well, but I remember building universals that look like that. I'm going to be building the front uprights, the steering linkage, and then the bulkhead. And then we're going to get into the motor. I'm going to be using a brushless setup for this, and we'll talk about that probably at another time. And here's the motor cover, and we're going to start building the dampers right here. Very cool. Body posts, rear arms. This kit does come with stabilizers, I believe, in the rear. Does it have it in the front? I'm not 100% sure. Looks like it does. It has the front and rear. That's very cool. And then we're going to start working on the electronic with the D parts bag. And so there we go. I'll be using a pretty fast servo for this build. And I'm going to try something a little bit different with the electronics for this. And I'll show what those electronics are going to be when I get them in the mail. And here are the wheels. I'm actually have to glue the wheels this time if I can't find any pre-glued wheels. And like I said, those were going to be the battery stays and some foam for the battery. I probably need to find a new battery for racing. And those two carbon fiber pieces that we saw were not for the servo. It's actually part of the battery holder. So that's interesting. And again, I've already picked out a body for it. I will work on it this week, during the week, and then reveal it during the at the end of the 2-day stream. So here's the setup information, and here's the setting sheet. Some very standard precautions and how to use the car. And here are the parts diagrams. And that is going to be the Tamiya M-07R manual. And this has been the unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you can join me during the live stream where we build this together. If not, look for it in the live section. There's going to be the entire VOD. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.